Hello and welcome. This is Kuda from Internet Pro Club. So in this video, I'm gonna answer one of the questions that was actually asked by one of our members on Internet Pro Club. And this question really, I couldn't give answer in form of text, but I have to do a little video like this so that I can actually answer the question. So if you're not a member of Internet Pro Club, it's free to create an account, and this is where I hang out and answer people's questions. So as you can see, someone was asking about PayPal, someone was asking about Bitcoin, what can I do online, and quite a number of things that I actually help people there. But one of the questions that I could not answer with a text was this question: adverts on my website. Now if I click on it, it's going to come in, and the question is, I would love to insert banners on my website. By banners, I mean affiliate links. Thanks. That was the question. So as an internet marketer myself, if someone asks me this question, they know what they want to do, but they didn't use the correct terminology, okay, which is okay, which is really okay. That's why I said I need to do a video explainer that actually explains the whole process. So according to this person, if I get them right, what they want done is they want to insert banners on their website. That's number one. So that's the one thing that I'm going to show them, how to insert a banner on their website. Number two, I'm going to show them how to insert affiliate links. Okay, these are two different things. Okay, so we're going to show them how to insert banners, number one. Number two, we're going to show them how to insert affiliate links on the banners. Okay, and then I'm going to show them how to insert affiliate links on text. Okay, affiliate links on text. So this is actually the third thing. Okay, so I want you to follow through, but before I actually explain the process, what I need to do is to show you basically how I've actually done it on my website and making some commissions as well. So this is actually my website, which is called Kuda Online. This is actually the front page, but if you go to where it says blog, you realize that I write a lot of content. Okay, I write a lot of content sharing my ideas, my thoughts, and so if you click on this one, the first one, if you click on it, this is where you actually come to. You're going to see that in my article I have some blue links. Okay, these are affiliate links. Okay, and at the same time I have these banners. Okay, so what it simply means is people are reading my articles, they can actually also click on these banners, and then when they click on those banners, these are actually affiliate links. All these blue are actually affiliate links. For example, if someone clicks on this website, that's this link that says Deriv website, they're gonna come to this website because I actually recommended the website in my article. And if someone creates an account here and they pay the money and whatever happens there, I get a commission. I'm going to show you in a second like how much commission I've made this month so far from this website. Okay, I'm going to show you how it all works. So let me jump into my website and show you the process of how I add these banners, of how this person can actually add these banners. Okay, let's do just that. The first thing that you need to decide, especially on the banners, like what size of banners do you want to place. So let me head over to Google, and then I'm gonna type in web. Okay, let me just type in here web page banner sizes. Okay, so I'm gonna go and check out like web page banner sizes. As you can see, these are the results that I actually got. And let me just see the sizes. So there is actually 468 by 60, there's 728 by 90, there's 300 by 260, and all these are the sizes. So this is a square one, this is a square one, and this is a leaderboard. Okay, so as you can see, you can actually go on the image as well, on the image search, and actually search for the sizes. You actually have an idea of what type of banner do you want to create. Okay, so let me go back to all here. So the ones that I'm gonna pick this one that is 728 by 19, and then this one that is 300 by 28. So these ones, they actually work on the one that is a little bit square actually works on this part. Okay, the one that is a little bit longer, it actually works on this part. So I'm gonna place some banners right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the process. Now I'm actually logged into my Deriv affiliate account. Okay, so as you can see right there, I've got a balance of 235. This is what I've actually made this month just for referring people to this website. Okay, so now as you can see that it actually tracks like where the people are actually coming from, and people here were clicking on could online. That's where these are the referring URL. So what it simply means, people are actually coming to my website and actually going to the website for Deriv. So if you actually, any affiliate marketing company has got marketing material. So if I click on the marketing here, under the dashboard, you're actually gonna see the banners that I've been actually explaining. Like this one is 970 by 90, this one is 928 by 90, and this one is that, this one is square, and all that. So the first one that I need to add is this one that says the new age of online trading. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click on get media code. Okay, so remember this one is 725 by 19, and there are actually two things. Number one, there's this one that is called the JavaScript code. Okay, and this is called the landing page URL. So what it simply means, if I copy this is the special link, the digital fingerprint that I actually get. If I copy this and if I paste it on Google, if I click on it, paste it on Google, what it simply means is it's going to come to the Deriv website here. Okay, this is the website that you see. As people are reading my articles, they actually come here and actually get that. So let me just get back to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do both. I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm actually logged into the backend of my website. Depending on where I want the banner to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on post. I'm going to go to all my posts to see the posts that are actually on my website, or the posts that I need to make. So it's either you click new or you click all posts, because right now I need to edit the post that I've already done. So this is actually the post that I have here, and then I'm just going to click on edit. So right now I'm actually in the editor mode of my website. So the first thing that you see when you actually, this is the backend, this is what you see as the admin of your website, or the author, or whatever. This is where you actually write your text. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is, as you can see, I need to add a code. Remember, I copied a code. As you can see, there is visual and there is text. So if you want to add a code, you actually click on text. Okay, and then what's gonna happen is I'm actually gonna move my mouse to where I need to place the code. As you can see that my mouse is here, and then I'm gonna go on text. Okay, I'm gonna go on text. Now my mouse is actually flicking right there, and then what I do, I right click and then I just click on paste. Okay, and then what I have to do here is actually to click on update, and you just wait for the internet to actually update. And then if I go back to visual, I should be able to see the banner actually. Or maybe you may not really see it. Let me just go back here. Okay, maybe you may not really see it from the back end of your website, but let me go back to my website right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna try and refresh this. I'm gonna refresh my website. This is what actually visitors to my website would see. Okay, and there we go. The banner has been actually added. So what it simply means, this banner carries my affiliate link. If someone clicks on it, they are going to come to this website, and then when they do whatever they do there, they pay the money, I get a commission. So that's the first way of actually adding a banner. But now, what if if I don't like the banner that is provided by the banner that is provided by the company, what do I do? So I'm gonna create a new banner that I'm actually gonna add again. So to do that, I use Canva to create a new banner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on create, and then I'm gonna click on custom dimensions, and the dimension that I need a square. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in 300. Okay, and then I'm gonna type in 300. Okay, if I needed the 728 by 9, I was actually gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go and click on create design. So now this actually takes me to my design dashboard, where I can actually do the actual design of the banner that I need. So yeah, I'm actually gonna type in Forex because it's actually something that has to do with Forex. I just need to check for a keyword that I can actually use in terms of the background. Let me just click on the background there, and then just type in Forex. Probably I could speed up this part so that you play around with Canva. Okay, there we go. I have it. I have some cool images, so I'm just gonna pick any that looks like that I can actually use. Let me just pick this one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this image, and I'm gonna enlarge it here, and I'm gonna enlarge it here. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy this text, number 1 Forex trader, Forex for Zimbabweans, and then I'm gonna go and click on text. Okay, I need to add text here, so I need to add a heading, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste that, and then I need to change the color. Here. How do I do that? Okay, let's see. It looks like something is loading right there. You just play around on how to change the color. So I just want to make this real quick. So, and then once you're done, you just click on download. Okay, and then you download your image, and then you can actually download as PNG or JPEG, whichever, doesn't matter. Just don't download as PDF. Okay, you can actually okay, what's happening here? So I've actually downloaded my image, and I'm gonna go back to my website again. So where I need to place this now is, let me just come back here. Where I need to place this banner that I've actually created from Canva is on the sidebar here. Okay, so I'm actually gonna come to my website, and to add the banner to my website, what I have to do is I have to go here, appearance, and then I go to widgets. Okay, and then open up the widgets tab or the widgets options. You can see that this one that says main sidebar has got a lot of adverts on it that I had actually added already. So what I'm gonna do is I can add on the header, I can add on the footer, I can add on different places, but I need to add on the sidebar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the image option. So this is the image option, and then I'm gonna choose where I need to edit. So I need to add it to the main sidebar, and then I click on add, and then once I click on add, it's gonna open up the option here, and then I'm just gonna click on upload image. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my downloads folder, and then look for the image that I've actually downloaded. Okay, that's the image that I've actually created from Canva and downloaded, and then I'm gonna drag it or upload it to my website. Okay, once it's uploaded to my website, there you have it. Okay, there we go, and then you just click on add to widget. But now if you add this to widget, if you try to click this image, it won't work. So what I have to do is add link to. This is where it says link to. This way, when people click on it, that's where you want people to go. So I'm gonna go back to my Deriv affiliate account, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this one that says landing page URL. Okay, and then I copy this, and then I can actually paste right here. So the reason why you have to paste this one, and not this one, is because this one comes with a pre-made banner and this one does not have a pre-made banner. And then what I then do is just to click save. Okay, so if I go back here, let me just close that. If I go back here, as you can see right there's nothing. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh my page. I'm just gonna refresh my page. You should be able to see the deriv banner right here. Okay, let's just scroll down. As you can see, now the deriv banner has actually been added. So if I click on it, it's gonna take me to the deriv website where people can actually thus I've actually added the affiliate link. However, if you want to add this one as well, let me just go back here. If you want to add this code, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that. Okay, I'm gonna copy that, and then this time around I'm not gonna select the image. I'm gonna select the custom HTML code, and then I'm gonna say this one comes in. Then I'm gonna paste this code here, and then I'm just gonna hit save. Okay, so let me just go back to my website again, and then I'm actually going to refresh this part. I'm actually going to refresh this part. As you can see, the little banner here has actually been added right here. Okay, the reason why it's very, very small, it's simply because I've selected the banner that is rectangle. I should have selected this one. It should have come out very, very, very well. So now coming back to this, right now I've added that, and then now coming back to this, I need to add an image right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on upload add image, and what I need to do as well is I need to add this same image in there. Okay, and then once it's added, the image has been added. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on it once, and then click on this pencil icon or click on this add link. Okay, and then a pop-up is going to show up like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here and copy my link, and then I'm just going to add and then enter. So what it simply means, I did not go the route of text. I was just in the visual. I just added a link to this image. Okay, now if I need to add a link, an affiliate link to a text, what I do is, as I'm actually writing my article, what I do is I just highlight this text. And then copy this link icon, and then I paste the URL, and then this becomes blue. And then when it becomes blue, let me just say test here, okay, so that we know that that's where we have actually added. Okay, let me just update that. Update here. So if I actually come here, what we are going to see is the changes that we have actually made from the back end of my website. Let me just refresh this so that we see the changes that we have actually made. Okay, let's just scroll down. What's happening to it? Okay, so this is the banner that we have added that time, and then if we scroll down, this is the image. If someone clicks on that, they go to my affiliate link, and then let's look for the test one. This is the test as well. If they click on that, they go to my affiliate link, and then on the side one, now I've actually added the banner. So this is a very long video, but I just wanted to take you through the answer, and also I know I've got people that also will be actually watching this video, so I wanted to make it a little bit longer so that I explain all the steps. So I hope this answers your question, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to do a lot of videos for you guys. Thank you very much. Bye for now.